Now welcome to our production mill, Hubei Zhongye Mill. It is also our headquarters. Here we can produce high-quality, large-size plastic mold steel and hot-work steel in both blocks and round bars. Now together with Mr. Fu, Vice President of Zhongye Mill, let's take a tour inside it. Hubei Zhongye Mill is located in Da'ye City, Hubei Province. It covers an area of 1.6 million square meters, which is the largest private-owned steel mill with a full industry chain in Hubei Province. Specialized in the production of large-size premium mold steels, it is integrated with iron smelting, casting, steel smelting, forging, heat treatment, and machining.
Now we are at the smelting workshop. Zhongye Mill is equipped with 40-ton EBT electric arc furnace, 40-ton ladle furnace, and 40-ton vacuum and degassing furnace. And with well-selected raw materials, we are able to produce steel with good cleanliness, which enables us to guarantee good quality even for large-size steel. For higher quality requirements, our 5 to 20-ton ESR or VESR furnaces can help to obtain higher cleanliness and better properties. Our die casting mold steels can meet the related standards of North American Die Casting Association.
This is our forging workshop. Suitable forging devices and technique is crucial to get good interior quality of steel.
At our forging workshop, 3,500-ton and 2,000-ton hydraulic forging presses and 1,600-ton quick press are active in our daily production, and there is a 4,500-ton forging press under installation. These devices enable us to produce steel with thickness from 150 to 650 millimeters and diameters from 150 to 700 millimeters while ensuring good interior structure and quality.
After forging, materials need to go through heat treatment processes to obtain the needed properties and quality.
At our heat treatment workshop, we can conduct heat treatment processes like sphericalizing annealing, EFS annealing, normalizing, quenching, tempering, etc. And Zhongye Mill has been upgrading heat treatment facilities to save energy and improve steel quality through more accurate temperature control.
At our machining center, dozens of advanced lathes, sawing and milling machines are at our disposal. Processes like sawing, surface milling, peeling, and turning can be arranged according to customers' needs. Before delivery, materials will go through testings like impact testing, mechanical properties, microstructure, hardness, and 100% ultrasonic test. After that, materials will be delivered to our Zhongye Metals warehouse for pre-shipment inspection. This is Zhongye Metal and Zhongye Mill. We are committed to producing and delivering cost-effective premium special steels to our customers around the world.